This is 9 steps that you need to take to get your first wholesale deal within the next 2 weeks. Watch this video. The first step to this business, you got to prepare yourself for battle. What I mean by that is prepare your mindset. This business, you're going to hear a lot of rejection. You're going to hear a lot of no's. You're going to hear at least 50 no's before you hear at least one yes. And it's going to take you several yeses before you get your first deal closed. So make sure you have a strong mindset. Don't get unmotivated when you hear tons of no's with this business, because I'm telling you, one single deal, you can make over $10,000 and you can do multiple of these deals per month. So definitely prepare yourself for this business. Now, the second step to building this business is you got to pick the right market. Not every market is going to get you going quickly. Now, the third step is you're going to want to build your foundation. Now, what is your foundation? Your foundation to a wholesale business is going to be your buyers. You're going to want to build a massive buyers list before you even start looking for sellers. Trust me, this is going to be the difference between succeeding and not succeeding. It's very easy to build a buyers list. And if you want help with this, go ahead and text me right here. Now, step 5 to this business is choosing what type of marketing you're going to use to find your sellers. There are a ton of different marketing methods you can find that people are promoting out there. Every marketing method is going to work. What's going to determine the type of marketing method you use, though, will be your budget. Now, if you are somebody that works a job that makes really good money and you have a lot of spare income that you can put towards marketing, I would suggest using Facebook ads or PPC ads. Now, these are really awesome methods to finding motivated sellers, but keep in mind, you're gonna easily spend over $1,000 a month to find these deals. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't have a lot of money to put towards marketing and you wanna get going, you're gonna have to trade a little bit of time. When you don't have a lot of money for marketing, you can use your time to cold call and send text messages. Cold calling is literally the cheapest method to marketing. You can get going under $500 a month, and you can find a lot of deals with cold calling. Now, step 6 to this business is negotiating your deals. Now that you're generating seller leads, you're finding people who want to sell their property, now you got to start making offers and negotiating a good price for you to get this property under contract. Now, when you're negotiating, never make this mistake. Never tell the seller that you are a wholesaler. You are not a wholesaler. That is not something you call yourself. Now, the next thing, in my business, I don't like to be the decision maker. And what I mean by that is when I'm speaking with the seller and we're making our offers, we're letting the seller know that we're getting our offer from a manager. Let's say we make an offer of $150,000 and the seller says, you know what, I don't want to do 150, but I'll do 160. What I like to do is say, you know what, give me about 20 minutes. I'm gonna get on the phone with my account manager. If we can get this at 160,000, would you be able to sign the contract today? Now, the next step to this business is gonna be contracting your deal once you get an offer accepted. Now, keep in mind, we're not attorneys, we're not legal experts, we're not here to tell you how to contract your deals. But if you need a contract that will protect you and help you out, go to my website, learnvirtualwholesaling.com. You can get a copy of our contract. And here's the best part. We'll provide a video of how we will fill out the contracts for our own business when we have a deal that we're working on. If you're going to go ahead and contract a seller, we definitely recommend consulting with an attorney in your market to make sure, 1, the contract can be used, and 2, you're doing things the right way. Now, the next step is really exciting. Now that you have a contract signed with your seller, you got to sell your contract. Now, this is why it's very, very important to have a buyer's list already built, because once you have that contract signed, you can reach out to these people on your buyer's list and sell that contract. This is where the money's made. You're going to make anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 on your contracts. In our business, we make an average of $12,000 per contract. If you want to start closing deals within 90 days and you need help, feel free to text me here, or you can go to my website and check out the programs that we have available.